Think that tiny chip on your windscreen is no big deal? Hit one pothole and you could be looking at a $1,000 problem. If you want to avoid dropping that, stick around. In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you what most drivers miss. Most people wait too long, but chips spread fast. And when they do, you're not just repairing your windscreen, you're risking your safety, your rego, and your insurance excess. So how do you know when it's too late to repair a chipped windscreen? Here's a simple rule of thumb. If the chip's smaller than a 5-cent coin on the driver's side or a $1 coin on the passenger side, you might be okay to repair. But if it's near the edge or any bigger, you're heading for a full replacement. And it gets trickier if your car has tech. On newer cars, your windscreen might have advanced features like lane assist or rain sensors built into the windscreen. That means replacing it isn't just glass, it's recalibration. More labor, more time, more cost. Now let's talk cost. A quick repair costs around $150. A full replacement anywhere from $300 to over $1,000 depending on your car. And yep, a chip that was fixable yesterday could be a replacement today. Now, here's where insurance comes in and why it's worth thinking about it before anything cracks. With Youi's comprehensive car insurance, you can choose to add the reduced basic excess for windscreen optional cover. It means if your windscreen is the only thing that needs fixing, you could pay less, not your full excess. One tiny chip, one big decision. Fix it early, drive safer, save cash. And if you're into straightforward explainers like this, hit subscribe for more.